Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be playing with February's Bombshell bag. This is a subscription bag from Bombshell Nail Co and it is awesome. So check out first of all the attention to detail and how beautifully wrapped these dip powders are. I did not want to open it because it's so pretty and I just love the special touch. Alright, so in here this is the first dip powder and then there's another dip powder. Now these two dip powders are exclusive to the bag, which is super awesome. So we have Sassy Lass, which is the first color here, and then they are secured with that washi tape. And then check out the first beautiful color. So this is a really fun chunky glitter. It's a chunky medium and it has some fine mixed in of that beautiful green, and then it has a really pretty gold in there. And the next color here is called A Wee Bit Irish, and I think this name is so fun and super cute for this dip powder. So you can see here it's a really pretty green and it has the most beautiful shimmer in this dip powder, and I love shimmer dip powders. And then we have these really fun nail decal wraps. These are really fun and they're super festive, but yet they're really pretty. So check it out. These are perfect for spring as well. They have beautiful flowers on here on this sheet, and then the next sheet has some shapes on there and then some really fun flowers as well. So here are the two dip powders and the decals that are in this month's February bag. So let's start playing with some of these items. We're going to be making a press-on set today, and we're going to start out by using A Wee Bit Irish. So we're going to do things a little bit differently today. We're going to be dipping into these dip powders so you can see how they perform in the colors. That's why I did not show you swatches in the beginning. I wanted to save the suspense because these dip powders are so fun and pretty, and I really like the theme for this month, that is St. Patty's Day. But yet these colors are great for the springtime. This color here, A Wee Bit Irish, is really pretty because it's not that everyday St. Patty's Day green. It's a really pretty green and it's going to be perfect for spring and even summer. I think this color would be perfect paired with like a hot pink or a coral. The options are endless with this dip powder. It's super pretty. So right now we just did one dip and we're dusting that off, and now we're going to go in with a second layer of that beautiful dip powder. So the subscription bag right now, that you can still get the subscription bag, not this one in particular. This one was February's, but you can still sign up for the next bag, which is going to be for March. And this bag is super awesome, and you can see it's just like how she wrapped the dips. It made it even extra special because it just wasn't dips thrown in like a mailer with some decals. The attention to detail and the wrapping made it really special. And the price point of this bag, you cannot go wrong. It is $15 for the two dips, and you're getting 0.25 ounce jars, two dips, and then you're getting that really awesome decal sheet as well. So the price point is definitely there, and you're also helping support a small business. And I really like supporting small businesses for subscription bags because I really like the uniqueness of the dip powders, and I just feel like the extra touch that goes into them is super awesome and fun. So it's like a special gift. Also, for your first sub bag, you can save by using code GETABAG. It's all caps, all one words. I will leave it in the description box below. And all the information for the sub bag can be found right on the main screen of the website. Once you go to Bombshell Nail Co, just scroll down a little bit and then you can subscribe for that awesome sub bag. So you can see, check it out. We are diving into this beautiful glitter. Isn't it gorgeous? And the slow-mo makes it even better. But you will notice that I did use a lighter color that was not part of the sub bag called Flagstaff. That's going to be the nail that we're going to be putting on that nail wrap. I just find that a lighter background when you're using a nail wrap works way better, and you can really see all that attention to detail and that beautiful art on the nail wrap with a lighter color. But you can totally do whatever color you want when you are doing your nails. I just prefer a light color. So check out that beautiful glitter. I do like to pour over the first layer of glitter to ensure that I'm getting a really nice flat surface, and then I'll go ahead and dip directly into the cupcake liner. But check out that pretty glitter. So you can see on that nail we picked up a lot of the finer glitters, and that's perfectly okay because when we go back in to dip into this cupcake liner, we're going to pick up tons more of those chunkier glitters like you can see here. and it's super pretty. I really like how it's more of a green base, and then it has these gold glitters kind of sporadically throughout it. It's just super pretty. And then the next dip here, so I'm going to brush it off, and I am going to go in with a third dip. Normally I do not do a third dip with chunky dip powders, but I really wanted some more sparkle and I wanted to focus on those finer glitters. So I'm just taking this little ombre brush and I'm just tapping on some more extra sparkles. And I'm really focusing on those finer glitters there. So that's another way to help build up more sparkle on your nail. Instead of going in with a third dip, doing the tapping with the ombre brush and focusing on those finer glitters will definitely help and reduce bulk of the nail as well, which in the end will help cut time with your filing and buffing. So check it out. How pretty is this mani? I'm so in love with it already, and we're going to make it even better with one of these fun little nail wraps. So right now I'm deciding what one I was going to choose, and it was super hard, but I chose the one with the little yellow flowers, and I'm going to go ahead now and place some gel base over the entire nail, cure that for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to go ahead and place that water decal over the nail. And this is the method that works best for me when I'm applying my decals. I just find that having a layer of gel base that's cured on the nail before I go ahead and place that decal really helps that decal stick to the nail, because it's giving it like a sticky kind of base to it. And then it also gives me a little bit of wiggle room where I can actually, once that decal's on the nail, I can actually move it around a little bit, and then I don't have to worry about ripping or tearing that delicate decal. So right now I'm going to go ahead and gently place that decal on the nail. It doesn't have to be perfect because it is a little larger than the nail, so you have some wiggle room there, and then we'll remove that extra part of that water slide with some acetone and a brush in a few moments. But check out how nicely and flat that water slide is laying to the nail. This is hands down the easiest water slide I've ever used. And that says a lot, because my last couple uploads, we were playing with decals, but I stay away from full coverage water slide decals because, first of all, I'm scared of them, because I've had some bad experiences where I put them on the nail and they just turn out horribly. They're wrinkly, the decal looks thick, it adds bulk to the nail. It just did not go over well for me. But check out how beautiful this decal is laying on the nail. It is completely one with the nail. There are no lines in there, no wrinkles, no air bubbles, nothing. It didn't tear. It was super easy to use. And I am so bummed that I did not do another nail with these water slides, because it is so pretty. So this is the final mani. I did complete the mani. I went in with a layer of gel base, and then I finished it with gel top coat. And then this is the final mani, and I love it so much. I think these sub-bake colors are pretty and perfect, and these water slides are definitely my new jam. Now, this bag is no longer available, but don't forget to head over to Bombshell Nail Co to check out the water slides. Right now they are having a sale that if you buy 4, you do get a sheet free. And you can also sign up for next month's sub bag, which is super awesome. And don't forget, you can also save on your orders. I do have a discount code on your orders. Plus, I do have a discount code for the sub bag. The only thing is that you cannot stack discount code, so I recommend that you check out on the sub bag first and then go ahead, and if you want to get some fun water slides, I highly recommend, then you can add those to your cart with a different transaction, because then you can use a discount code on that as well. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this mani. Stay tuned. We will be doing next month's sub bag on my channel as well. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.